Yo, what's going on guys? RoyalPickups here with a brand new video. Today I'm bringing you guys something super exciting. This is from the Supreme drop of week 5. It is the Sideline Hoodie in black. Yes, I was actually able to cop one of these. It sold out in like 10 seconds or something like that. It's something crazy. This was probably the most hyped piece of the whole entire drop. But let's get right into it guys. I got it here. So let's get this open here. There it is in the big old bag. Supreme. In here, oh, it looks like we got a sticker pack and some extra stickers as well. Set that aside. So right off the bat, we got 2 box logo stickers there, and then we have the, oh, this is actually opened already. But inside there is a box logo Supreme sticker there. So we have 3 from this. We have the poppy seeds, which I actually don't have, so I'm glad to get these. So there's the poppy seed box there, and the FTW sticker as well. There's that. So yeah, 3 box logos, the F the World and the poppy seed, so that's pretty cool. But let's get right into the sweatshirt. I was so hyped when I found out that I was able to cop this. So here it is in the bag. There's the barcode for you guys. All right. Oh man, this thing's heavy. This is actually really heavy. That out. Wow. I've actually never had in hand a real Supreme sweatshirt before, so this is really exciting for me. All right, so here is the sweatshirt. The side sleeves, of course, is the most important part. This is where it says Supreme. It has the logo. So on the front here, it's just plain black with the drawstrings and the hood. And then on each arm says Supreme down the side. You guys can see that. Here is the tag, the Supreme tag on the inside. Supreme, I guess you guys can't see that too well. But Supreme on the tag there, size medium. And then also down at the bottom of the shirt as well, they have another Supreme tag on the side. I know this is all blurry for you guys, but I'll definitely have a more detailed look for you. And then here's another detailed look at the Supreme logo right there on the sleeve. Super nice, soft on the inside, and I can just tell the quality of the sweatshirt is so nice. I've never had one of these in hand, so this is, like I said, very exciting for me. All right, I know in this view you guys can't see it that well, so I'm gonna give you guys a detailed view real quick for you.
Spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my spotlight, moonlight, why you worship and get your mood right? Shorty look good in the moonlight, so why you so bad, my spotlight, moonlight.
Alrighty guys, so that's about it for the Supreme unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead, hit that like button. Also, if you guys aren't subscribed already, go hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys later.
Sun don't shine in the shade. Bird can't fly in a cage.